So ChartHouse Energy has been around for about 12 years now. Started in Chicago and then we moved over here to Muskegon, Michigan because this side of the Lake Michigan is a little bit more beautiful, I believe. So we mainly do commercial and industrial solar installations and more recently have moved into helping municipalities get involved with solar. A lot of jobs are available in this industry, whether you're looking at mainly financing, sales, general construction is involved in this industry.
MCC offers a real basic solar opportunity. That would lead you to the next phase of being able to wire the panels. So you've got the crew, and I occasionally go on the job site and I hoof panels for a day. You know, anyone can do that, and then the next phase is wiring and connecting them. And then from that, you would go to potentially being an engineer and being able to study the ground loads and everything that affect the system. Obviously right now there's a huge shortage in the trades, and especially electricians. We're gonna see a real big demand in the next 20 years for electricians. So there's all sorts of career opportunities in it.
I think a lot of solar industry workers really are above that minimum wage, which is great. ChartHouse Energy in particular, we actually start all of our employees at above a living wage, $20 an hour. And I think you'll find that some construction workers are about the same or maybe a little bit lower here in Michigan.
Every class that you're taking, somehow solar can be connected to. You know, there's the obvious social science and social studies and the social environmental stewardship. There's mathematics. Emily, my coworker, her side is the engineering and the math that's involved with installation. My side's the economics. I mean, it's still all about, to some extent, money. It's got to be profitable, it's got to be affordable. That's the mathematics side. The engineering side is, of course, the obvious. How do you get all these panels to connect, talk to each other? So I see science, technology, engineering, and math all combined. When you're in 7th or 8th grade, we all think we're going to do something, and sometimes life changes. I wound up going to Davenport for business management, sales, and wound up 25 years in the printing industry. And then 2 years ago, wanted to do something different, something a little more impactful, and I thought solar energy was an opportunity to do something positive for the next generation.